Hey, welcome back. This is part 3 of the LabVIEW intro. This part we will just talk about the Measurement and Automation Explorer. So let's bring back up LabVIEW. There'll be two main points of why we're looking at this today. And that is, one, it's a useful tool for testing our device, just seeing if it's working, maybe troubleshooting what's wrong with it. And the second part is that's where we set up a simulated device in case we're at home without a DAC and we're trying to practice LabVIEW. To get to that Measurement and Automation Explorer, go to Tools right here from the main window or from the block diagram and click this first option. Take a little while here, but it opens up. And where we likely want to go, so say we're having some kind of an issue. We have our DAC hooked up, but we're just not getting data, and we're trying to figure out what's wrong. You can come over here and click this, and right now it's searching to see what devices we have connected. This is that USB that I had connected I showed you the picture of. Here, it looks like everything's working fine. There's no... Here, I'll unplug it. This is what it would look like if it wasn't making a connection. A lot of times you'll see a bunch of old devices on here that aren't being used that you may want to right click on and delete. So just do that to clean it up. I just plugged it back in. Here we're seeing it popped up. Sometimes, so just seeing this pop up here, at least your computer is registering that it's working. That's one good thing to learn in your troubleshooting. You may actually get this and still have issues. There are different things you can do there. For example, you could click on this and go to Test Panel. And let's say, so just to demonstrate something here, since I had a power supply sitting on my desk, I plugged it in. I plugged it in at channel 1. But say I'd accidentally done that in channel 2, and I was thinking I was in channel 1. Instead of setting up different channels back in your VI, you could just come here and you start and you see, okay, I'm just getting noise. That's the problem. So you could say you have a suspicion it's another channel. You could try the other channel. You could click, and here, look, we're getting 8.7 volts, which is what my power supply is putting out. We have a little bit of variation, plus or minus 2 to 3 thousandths, but we're getting that signal. So okay, now I see it's actually working. Now this could be just a quick little test to make sure your DAC is working, and then you can move forward building your VI from this point. Probably a more useful thing for you for this class is going to be to set up a simulated device. That's what you'd want to do if you don't have a DAC with you and you want to practice when you're at home after downloading your free student copy. To do that, just come over here and right click on Devices and Interfaces, and then go to Create New. And come down here to where it says Simulated. All that. So click that, click Finish, and hopefully it'll give us a list of devices. It's thinking, okay, there we go. The one that I've been showing you and we've been using is a USB, oh here it is, USB DAC right there. So 6009. We just do that, we say okay, it'll load it, and there it is. So now we have simulated a device. If we close the Measurement and Automation Explorer, now we go back here to our DAC Assistant. Say we never, well, I'll just show you that we have If you double click on that, or if you right click, see, you can also right click and go to properties. This pops up, and say you want to add a channel. You go voltage, and then here, this device 1 is that actual device that I have plugged in, and then device 2 is the simulated one. So you can do this just if you want to practice, or if you want to create your VI before you come into lab. But it allows you to pick the channels you want. So pick those. And I can go forward creating my VI. That's it for this one.